use sponge and water pot to smooth the clay once you've made your pinch pot. Use the rough edge and smooth down until your surface is perfect. If you have any big holes, what you can do is take some clay, fill them a little bit, and then go over with the sponge to make sure that the whole thing is smooth. And you could do this for almost one lesson because it's so important. Use the smooth side for just finishing off, but make sure your surface of the clay is perfect before you start putting the decoration on. Okay, I'm going to make one of those. Now this should be done, roll out the clay, this should be done with leather hard clay. A little balance between wet and hard. Okay, cut size that you want. Score, 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 slip, and then join together and so smooth. Now when you add, I'm going to cut that down, when you add to your model, score, put a hole in, score, just some slip, like that, smooth it in, and then, important, do a collar, like a sausage with wet clay. Wrap it round and smooth that in. And then that will not move. Smooth that in. Okay. Making spikes. Okay, take some soft clay, roll, put pressure on this side as you roll, and make sure it's nice and smooth, and then just ease off the pressure, and then cut to size. Okay, like that. Now you can have the spiky, or I'm going to score, slip. Or you can have, smooth it again, you can have it bent. Okay. Okay, making these, roll out a slab, cut a long strip, like that, and then cut each individual piece like that. Once you've finished, you roll it, and then you score, slip, and then you place it on. And then with the back of a paintbrush, you press in, and then you put the next one, but you make loads if you do it in this way. Okay. Right, add in this. Okay, roll out the slab, cut a strip, and then you can score where it's going to go, Let's just score a little bit. And then add your clay, like that. It needs a little bit of slip. Okay. And then smooth the clay. You can use a brush if you want to, and smooth that into the surface. And then you can do it both sides, please. Okay, and then you can do one underneath here, and then one underneath there, so you get waves. Okay, right, I'll have a go. Right, have that. So can you see those on there? Okay, right, okay, making these, roll out the slab, cover with cling film, use the template and press. Okay. If you want smaller ones, use a smaller little top and peel off, and then you should create even good pieces. And then to decorate, you place it on like that.